Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna open this box.
Yeah.
So let's start.
Yep. What's inside? What is that? It's a cake.
Yes, it's a cake. I should wear this.
Okay.
Okay. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Please.
Okay, yeah, I'll be the one to try it. Yeah, so you will become like Harry Potter?
Yes.
Little magician?
Yes.
Oh, wait.
You
wait.
can
I
tell
help
me
you.
Mysterio.
Mysterio?
Yes.
Come on, wait.
What? We will do the first cake, guys. So, ta-da! I already wear the cake.
Okay.
So, let's go to the next. So, this is the hat.
Yeah.
This is, I guess, plastic.
Mm-hmm.
So, let's do the other one. Now, guys, look.
And a stick.
Yes, and stick. Let's do the next item.
Next item.
Yes, you don't know this yet,
Okay.
but I know it. So,
Yeah, and there's Mewtwo.
there is my cat. Guys, I will do a magic. So, my cat is Mewtwo. So, I will do a magic. You
What
want
magic is it?
again yellow and green?
Okay. Yay.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Let's go to the next item. When you are watching, let me do something. Look.
Oh, so it's not falling, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So the next item is the ball. First, I need to read the book. I don't know this. Wait. I know it.
But it was covered. It's covering with the box.
I know. I am just doing the things.
Okay.
Look, guys.
What?
I put one ball, right?
Okay.
Now we are gonna cover.
And
I will look.
it
It's
falls,
there.
right?
It's there. Guys, now there is nothing inside, but I will remove a rabbit inside. Where is this rabbit? Whoa.
Oh.
Thank you. Thank you. Now for our last trick. You see, I have 4 cards here. So let's start the magic. Now we need to do right. These rabbits need to come out here, right?
Okay.
Now let me do the magic. Hop, 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 hop. So you need not to see this. Now let's put the cards.
Okay, let's see. You show us.
Look, the other rabbits.
Oh, it's inside now.
Yes.
Inside of the hat.
Yes, inside the head. Now we need to do the MAGiC HOKUS POKUS. Now we need to do it right.
Yay. So is that it?
Yes.
That's all?
Yes.
So yeah, that's all Alparslan magic trick.
I hope you enjoyed this video. So bye bye.